Hello and welcome to another video by Panic Props. Today we're going to be working on some artwork for your haunt, your home, your site, your location, for your decor. So today it's not going to be such a scary project that I'm working on, but it is a project you can incorporate into pretty much anything you want to do. It doesn't have to be Halloween, but it's a very unique project and it's going to be for on your walls. So what we're looking at here is I picked up this 24 by 36. It's a poster frame. I went with the more durable frame here. You could go with the lower cost, cheaper ones, a little thinner frame, or the middle scale. But I found this larger scale border. It was the same price as the middle scale, so I went with the thicker border. Just a better appearance on the wall. What we're actually doing is I picked up this 1 yard cut of fabric. You can get all your different holiday fabrics, Halloween, Christmas, anything, New Year's, whatever. But this one's going in the kids' room, so I got these all into the Marvel Comics. So I got the Marvel Comics fabric. So it's a 1 yard cut. As a 1 yard cut, it's a 36 inch by 44 inch sheet of fabric. It's got all kinds of different prints on it, so that'll be great for his room. The 36 by 44 inch will fit into this. It's 24 by 36, so that's good. So that all matches there. That'll work out well. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this. What I have is Loctite. It's a spray adhesive. I'm going to take apart the frame here and actually take out the backing, which is cardboard. I'm going to use the spray adhesive on the cardboard, and I'm just going to lay the fabric down on there. Smooth it out, let it set. Make sure you do it in a ventilated area, and once it's dry, you could either fold the excess over the back, or you could just trim it, toss it back in your frame here, and you're all set. Most of these you can hang horizontal or vertical, so that's great. Works out well, so however your decor wants to be. And yeah, just a real simple project here, and we'll get to the results of that real soon here. Again, spray adhesive, your 1 yard cut of any fabric you want, and just a poster frame. So got this at the local Walmart. Wasn't bad. And so we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, we are back. So what we did is we used our spray adhesive. Make sure you shake the can up really well, and you want to be about 8 to 10 inches away from your project you're working on. So give it a thorough coating. Try not to leave any gaps between the adhesive. When you're done, hold your can upside down, spray for about a couple seconds to clear the nozzle. You'll be able to use this over and over again. Now what we have is the cardboard, and you have it all adhered now. So it's overhanging the edges, but it's all on there, all flat, looking good. Yeah, Marvel Comics, comic books. But yeah, could be a Halloween thing if you wanted. I haven't done one yet for Halloween, but once I find the right fabric that I'm looking for, definitely I'm gonna go for it. This was cardboard, black piece. You might have wood, but it does have the hanger here. This one, if it was upside down, it'd be on the top. And from there, what I'm going to do is trim the edges, toss it back in our frame here. It's just got little black tabs you gotta fold back, and the cardboard comes right out, goes right back in, fold them back down, and it's prepared to be on the wall. So I'll show you that next. We're gonna just put this on in there, trim the edges first, put it in, fold the tabs, boom, got your artwork done. Let's check it out. And we are back. We've got a completed project here. I'm going to show you now. Here it is. Artwork for the wall, all in the frame. So you can see there's reflection on the plastic. Now with that reflection, if you don't like the reflection, don't want the reflection, you could actually remove the plastic front, the clear plastic from it, and you just have the cloth, if you're worried about the cloth being damaged or something, you could actually go out and get some museum grade glass. It's a glass that doesn't cause any reflections from light, things in the room, cameras, anything like that. Somebody walking around with a flashlight or something, it won't reflect off the museum grade glass. So that's up to you. There's a extra cost for the museum grade quality glass due to the fact that it is a specialized glass versus just a clear plastic you get from Walmart. So that's up to you as far as you want to go with your project. But it's far enough for me. Kids room, got it done. Real quick, easy project. You get it out probably, I don't know, 10 minutes, and you're good to go from there. Again, always try to recycle if you can, and always repurpose what you can. And we'll see you in the next video. This is Panic Props. Hope you liked it. Give us a good old thumbs up. Share it with all your friends. And be sure to subscribe. Subscribe to our channel and see what else we got coming for you. Alright? Thanks for watching.